Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by checking the Booyah Pass season and your current tier. Once done, confirm you have enough BP, tokens, or dollar to buy or upgrade. Next, open the pass screen and review milestone tasks. Focus on repeatable objectives. Immediately accept any active daily boosts or missions that stack XP. Then queue into short matches to begin earning points. Make sure to prioritize tasks that grant milestone progress. The faster tasks first, so you build momentum and unlock that first milestone quickly. Once you've triggered progress, focus on high-value missions, eliminations, placement, and objective captures that grant milestone XP. Rotate into modes that concentrate rewards, ranked or limited-time events, because they compress required effort. Coordinate with a party to maximize win and revive bonuses. Make sure to activate any XP multipliers before matches. Also, complete side tasks between games. These fill small gaps and compound milestone advancement. By balancing quick, repeatable goals with targeted high-reward plays, you move through the middle grind efficiently and predictably. You finish by checking progress bars and spending leftover BP or tokens to bridge small gaps. This is often the fastest way to secure a milestone. Then, clear remaining repeatable tasks and claim milestone rewards. Do this immediately after matches to ensure credits apply. If progress stalls, troubleshoot. Verify mission timers, confirm you're in the correct game mode, and restart the client if rewards don't register. Finally, switch to alternative missions or party up. That fix usually resolves the common sync or progression issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.